Hey guys, and welcome back to Startup Yourself, where we're back with another video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our latest uploads. If you've been dreaming of earning through passive income and just haven't taken the first step, you should know that there is no right way to begin. All you have to do is get going and learn. In this video, we're going to talk about things you need to know about passive income. So without further ado, let's get to the video. First of all, what really is passive income? Passive income is earnings from a rental property, limited partnership, or other business in which a person is not actively involved. It is primarily upfront work. Here's a list of things you need to know about it. Number 1. It takes time to develop. Thinking you can just start earning within the night without doing anything? Well, wake up. When it comes to passive income, persistence is the most important thing. Even though a lot of people talk about passive income, little to none actually take proper action. When all the successful people talk about their journey, they tell you that failures are what led them to it. You can never learn without failure, and you can never fail unless you try. The first step you need to take is to get an education in finance, business, and investments. Number 2, it isn't completely passive. Now, it's not to discourage you, but you should know that passive earning isn't exactly passive. It doesn't mean that you can just sit back and relax and watch all the money roll in. If someone is offering you income with no effort or work at all, it's most probably a scam or will end up putting yourself in an extremely inconvenient situation. Although it's true that passive income requires a lesser amount of time and effort, it only happens if you've worked hard to sustain it. And then the gains continue to increase with even lesser work. For instance, if you create a blog, in the first few months, you'll have to work hard to set it up and get it going. And then it'll just sustain on its own, with lesser effort. Although we do advise you do not use the same strategy with your relationships. Number 3, it starts with an investment. Even though passive income requires much less effort, resources, and work than the active one, you still need to make proper investments, be it your time or some money to set you up and going. The time investment and financial investment are both very necessary. Being able to get a return on your time is something really cool about earning passive income. It means that anyone can do it. It still isn't easy, but with some hustle, passive income is accessible for anyone willing to pick up the work. Passive income does not happen overnight and is no way to get instant bulks of cash. Number 4, it can be done in so many ways. A lot of people believe that passive income comes mainly from only 2 ways: real estate investment property ownership, and online businesses. Although they are great ways of doing it, they're certainly not the only ones. In fact, there are no set paths that can be followed. The most important factors are motivation and the belief that you can make it happen. The ways to achieve financial independence are as diverse as the people who undertake the journey. Different people do it in different ways, like through YouTube, making podcasts, real estate investing, social media, and different businesses. Instead of using somebody else's blueprints to start working, you should think and do what suits you best and make your journey your own. Number 5, anyone can do it. You might be thinking that you probably require a special skill or ability to be able to earn passively. Well, we're here to tell you that's not true. You don't have to be a distinguished scientist or a very smart person to be able to do it. Also, did you know that people who have achieved financial freedom through passive income end up pursuing their passions rather than just laying around? And if you like doing your work, you can still stay persistent with it, which helps you sustain your career. In watching this video, you've already accomplished the first step of earning through passive work, and that is gathering information. You can continue by reading informative blogs on the internet. All you have to do is start learning. And with that, that's all for today's video. We hope you liked it. And if so, don't forget to smash that like button. And in the comments down below, let us know about some creative ideas you have for passive income. We'll see you guys in the next one.